Allow me to say something. I think it will be wrong if we close this discussion without us having talked about it.
Okay.
Prevention is better than cure. And that is why, as a government, we are investing more in the primary health care to educate people. Now, for cervical cancer, we have a vaccine, HPV vaccine. And culturally, there are many people who are not giving consent for their girls to get the HPV vaccine. And that is the first point where we start with the prevention of cervical cancer. Currently, it is being administered to girls between the age of 9 and 15, which is that means they could either be in primary or in high school. But we seek consent from the parents. And many parents are refusing to give consent. Yet that is the beginning of prevention. So I want to appeal also to our mothers outside here, our parents outside here. We have enough doses of the HPV vaccine. It is being administered in school. Please give consent, because you do not know who is a candidate for cervical cancer. Let us ensure that they get this vaccine.
Is consent in writing or in person, physically?
We do it in writing. There are forms that are filled at the school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So they have to do that during holidays, or how does that work?
Maybe during school
okay,
days.
During school. All
maybe
right.
on that, I would like to really support what the CSR said. That vaccine somehow in Kenya, the conversation went